guess what I got? It's still in the box, but I got a MacBook Pro. You know, with that government money. I'm just kidding. Oh, my address. But we're gonna be opening it up. Why is there a fur on there? And yeah. So I got the, if I can open it up. So I got the MacBook Pro. That's 13 inch. That's 13 inch, and it's 512 like storage and 16 GB. So that's like how well it runs, you know, kind of. Like you can do 32, you can do 8, and I got the 16 one. That's why I didn't want to get an Air because I'm gonna be using it for school, and I'm gonna be using it for like editing. That's why I haven't been uploading, because I don't want to upload on my, I don't want to do stuff on my computer because it's not good, you know. And also I want to play Sims, but like I'm not gonna download all my expansion packs on there. I'm just gonna download one base game, and that's it. My brother's right there, so if you look, that's what it is. That's my sister. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Oh, baby. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's nice to have you in my arms. So, yeah, so it's a MacBook Pro 13 inch, 2.0 GHz quad core Intel, yeah, and all that shabam. Okay, but I don't even know how to open it, so I just open it with my teeth. Oh, wow, Apple is so smart. I'm just dumb. All right, so we're gonna take this bad boy out of here. Yeah, and then Kaylee my sister's gonna take my laptop, my computer, I mean. I need a laptop to be more like, yeah, for college, to be more like portable, because I didn't have, so I was doing dual enrollment, which is in high school you can do college classes. You can do college classes while doing high school classes, and that's what I did, but it was harder with no laptop, you know. And also, I was contemplating on getting like a gaming computer because it has a lot of space, or a MacBook. I decided to go with the MacBook because it'll make my life easier since I have an iPhone. Like, for example, if I need to airdrop something, I airdrop it from my phone to my computer. You know what I mean? Like, it's just much easier. So, I got mine in silver. I went with the silver. It has these two little ports right here. And then it has two more over here. And then it has a little hole right there. And it's like, you know, it's the same size all around. I think we all know that. But then inside of here, it just comes with the charger and the little charger head thing. And just a little thingamajigger that we don't need. Alright, so let's do this, baby. Alright. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at that shamba. Look at that shamba. Look, look, look. Ooh. Ooh. You call her Stephanie? I call her Stephanie. I don't open doors for no. We can't see. So, yes. And this one came, like, shiny, you know? I don't think with the space gray it comes shiny. I'm not too sure. But I'm not, yeah. Oh, my God. So, we're going to open this bad boy. Oh, my God. Is this actually mine? I've never had, you know, a laptop like this. Like, all bougie and stuff. The only laptops I had is, like, HP and all that, you know? But look how nice. I'm doing it on my phone. So, look.
You got the space bar?
Yeah. Okay, so then it first brings you to the language. So I'm going to put English. Oh, I did my first button tap on there. See, I didn't spend my money. I saved it. So, I bought it all in one because I didn't want to have to worry about, like, I don't even know if they do this, though, but like financing it. I don't want to worry about paying monthly. I just in the city. I like to do that a lot. That's just me. So put my Wi-Fi on, and I know the password and everything. Don't look. Is it I or E?
E. Wait. E. Wait.
Okay, never mind.
E.
Okay. All right. Let's see. And I like the screen. It's pretty wide, you know. I was like, because I was contemplating on getting the 16-inch or this one. But I'm glad I went with this one because I feel like the 16-inch is not that big of a difference. But it still is, you know, obviously that's why they made a 16-inch. If it wasn't that big of a difference, they wouldn't sell it. But I like this. I thought it was going to be too small. But, because the ones at school, you know, but they're not 2020. This one's 2020, so they made it 13, not 11-inch. I was scratching myself. But, yeah, so it comes with this keyboard. You know, it's not the magic or, I don't remember, the butterfly ones. I don't remember. A lot of people were having problems with it, I think I heard. Then it has a space bar. It's pretty big, you know. And then it has the touch. See, like, it has brightness. Raise it up all the way. I like all that brightness. It has this. What's this?
Let me see.
I don't even know. And then it has volume. And then here you do your touch ID, you know? Right there. So, yeah, guys. That was my unboxing of my computer. I am so grateful and happy. I can't wait to start class. And I don't know if I'll do notes on my computer. Probably will because I saw this good like website or application that you can do notes on there, or I'll just get an iPad, you know. But I'll probably just stick with this, you know. But yeah, so in maybe like a month or 3 months, I'll do like a review, like how I feel about it after I used it for a bit. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.